Peace, brothers and sisters. Hope you're doing well. I have a video clip from a TV series called Vikings Valhalla, Season 3, maybe Episode 3. And there are two profound things that I noticed in this, and I think you should all see this. Now, I want you to notice, look at the hands of this priest or bishop or whoever he is. Look how his hands are, okay? Does that position look familiar to you? And also, he is going to utter a lot of things, and then in the end he will say something. I want you to see the resemblance.
Δέσποτα Παντοκράτο, τούχισον τους στρατώτες τούτους την Αγίας Άγγελος σου, φρούρισον αυτούς από τη δύναμη σου και φυλάξον αυτούς από την σκέπην σου. Αμήν.
Αμήν.